If you are still with us, then I will say congratulations for coming this far. We are wrapping up our WhatsApp like I told you. Hopefully this week we'll finish everything about WhatsApp. The one that are free, the remaining one are paid courses. Okay. But meanwhile, we'll be using this week to be sending you some tips and tricks and new updates that have entered WhatsApp. Okay. Today, I want to talk about how you can actually share music on your status. Do you know that right now you can share music on your status? Just like the way you go to Facebook to post, after posting, when you want to post or whatever you want to post on Facebook, you select a music and that music will not be playing on the background. Yeah. WhatsApp has done the same thing right now. Okay, you can actually on your status, after post whatever you want to post, you can actually share music on the background. That's what I want to share with you today. So if you are in this class, we have a lot of bonuses, a lot of tips, things that you don't know exist. We are going to teach you so long as you are in this group and for free, right? So now let me show you how you can do that. Just as usual, if you want to post your status, you come over to update, click on update, and there you go to your statue. This is my statue. I click on my statue. Now I want to add one of my videos just to teach this class. So I click on my video, and again, this also two-in-one class. Okay, I'm using this video to teach you how you can actually post status for those who doesn't know how to do this. Okay, but I know nearly everybody knows this. But in case you know how to do it, this is just the simple step. Okay, so I click on my photo or video, then it bring me right here. So if it's a test, I click on test. If it's a voice, maybe I just want to talk on my voice, I click on voice. Let me say camera that I want to snap myself or snap the product that I want to post, you click on camera. So these are the three things you see first before you now come to your gallery. Okay. If it's none of these three, maybe you've done the post or you've created the video already on your gallery, then you can now come to your gallery and then scroll your gallery and choose. So I'm going to just choose at random because I want to use this to teach us something. Okay, so I just choose at random. Let me choose this. I choose this. Okay, let it open. So immediately to choose simply means you click. Okay, when you click on it, that means you've chosen that. Okay, and immediately it will open for you to make use of. So I think I've clicked that, but it's still not yet ready to open. So let me just try another one. Okay, I'm selecting. Okay, so now you can also select. Okay, but I don't want to select, I just want to choose only one. But you can select. You can select as many statues as possible. Okay, so but I don't want to be selecting all of this. So let me cancel selection. So you can select as many up to 5, 6, 7, 8, and then after selection, you just click on this good. If you tap on the good, the whole thing will come up to your statue right away. That is if you want to select. But if you don't want to select, just click on this once and then tap on the good, and straight away it will come up over here. So once it's here, if you look up, just straight up, you see icons, right? This icon, you see the first one is your music icon. So if I click on this music icon right now, they also take me back to my music folder. Look at it, all my music folder. So any music I choose here will appear as background music. Okay, have you learned something today? So right now, if you have been posting your WhatsApp and been thinking of how can I get a background music to post my WhatsApp? Yeah, WhatsApp has done it. So it's just like Facebook right now. You can actually choose any music, any background music along with your status. The music could be playing while you're also doing what you are doing. Just the way it is on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and what have you. Okay, so technology is high and Meta is Meta. They are still the leading, though Google is the first anyway, but at least let's give it to Meta. So having learned this, in our next video we'll give you another tips again that you can use. Okay, so once you select your music and everything, just tap on this button and you've posted it and the music will play along. See you in our next class. Thank you.